Happy Welcome Week at Slab City. We're at the Oasis this morning for the annual pumpkin bowl, so sign up.
Bowling the pumpkin is our bowling ball. Somewhere down there. Set the pins, which is a beer bottle.
Oh, beer pop.
Trying to cut this back. 10. That's the other thing.
Harold.
Right out of you.
Different alleys,
Designs or whatever that.
halfway down the gutter.
Singing good right now.
Working against Mother Nature.
That's it. Did you take the damn knob off?
Whoa!
Run out of pumpkins. We have the foam with the stash.
Get 2 bowls.
Just like bowling alley. Try to be like the bowling alley. Oh, come on, come on, come on!
Oh.
Harold! Harold! Come on! Come on! Good boy, go lay down over there. Yeah. Harold, get out of the way! You will.
Yow! Nice.
That's why I'm always saying you gotta have.
Dude, yeah, roll it all the way, Mama. You can roll.
Yay!
Oh! They ain't gonna tab here on it, so we'll see if they want to bowl. I gotta get the foam one out because they won't be. They can bowl with the half one. I think if we put them closer. Yeah. Oh yeah! Oh come on! Ah! Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, one more shot.
Ready?
Is it too far, do you think?
I don't know.
2, 3.
Yeah, go, go, go!
Yay!
Nice, go, win.
Woo! Yeah!
You're trying to cut all of
Yay!
Next, okay, my turn.
Kids right here, get to the line.
Yeah. Okay, you gonna go up there?
I want to go up there.
Yeah.
And you can say little pumpkins. With the bread. On top of the turkey. They don't like it all.
Hee-haw!
Good job, you
Woo!
Get back and want to do it.
Hee-haw!
between your legs like this. You might get a good swing on it instead of this. Yeah!
Hee-haw! Here goes Beryl. Here goes. Yeah! Woo! Ah!
Alright, let's see what we can do. Hopefully we got some. I want to get one.
Dun, dun, dun. Yay! Oh, got her ball in the second round.
Damon!
Beryl.
The week
Sunday,
after Welcome Week,
Next Sunday.
that Sunday is the Pumpkin Bowl.
Yeah, I think-
Round
I
2.
think- I-
Yee-haw! Oh.
After you guys go, we'll check it out.
Talking about how many rounds.
The 2 rounds. Oh, and they're the youngest to get into the second round in the pumpkin. We got 2 more shots to go. Oh, come on, come on. Bounce. Oh!
Somebody at the club took care of Red for me. That's awesme. You know what I had to do it all fucking day. Yesterday. I'm Shannon's fine with watching the kids longer, and Shannon also agrees that she wouldn't fucking take off.
It's got a flat.
I'm having like.
I snapped it. I got
That's awesome.
I get one more turn.
We gotta clean that up, Ken.
That was awesome.
I get one more
Because
turn.
we're all.
Yeah,
All right. Chris won.
I get one more turn.
Now.
Chris wants his other
I
turn.
have. I got 3 damages. I have.
I was gonna try to lob it down here.
You got your choice.
Oops,
Here,
still
you
going.
got your choice because there's.
Oh, I get fries?
Well, yeah, there's prizes. However, there's a 12-pack of Dr. Shasta, and then the other 2 are alcoholic drinks.
Yeah.